Hello everybody to lesson number 11 of HTML Deep Understanding. Today we have HTML quotation tags lesson. We'll study today how to write a quotations in HTML and how to add these quotations to the text and what is the difference between them. First of all, we'll write here a normal text of HTML inside a paragraph. Then we will see the difference. For example, I will write here, this is normal text. Okay, I write here, this is normal text. This is normal text. I will duplicate that line and I will say there a quotation. For example, normal, I will write it with Q. This Q means that this text would be button in a quotation. I will save and I will run that file. Double click the file that we have. Just wait. Look, here we have HTML normal text and here we have a quotation. You could see these quotations because we have written Q, so it would be have printed a quotation. The other one, which is a block quote, means we have a block of information, then we need to put these information or this block of text with inside a block. For example, if I duplicate this word, just like random text, save and reload. This was the text that we have button a block quote for it, so it could be button like a block quote. It could be button like a quote but for block. The third point would be the abbr, which means the abbreviation of something. Abbr. Sorry, we'll write it inside. I will write here abbr means abbreviation of something. For example, we need to make this normal as an abbreviation for example, I will write only this N, an abbreviation for normal. So I write here something title. Sometimes in general it's joined with title, so I write here normal. You will know now. I'll save this file and refresh the website. See that the N, you could see it's like an abbreviation. When we hover, you're normal, so it's an abbreviation for normal word. The other one, we will have the address, which is used for writing the address or the addresses of companies or addresses of people. Okay, address, I will write here something, for example, URL. Right here, URL Safhatech.com. Okay, then I will write br. Then I will write here I will write, for example, what course HTML for deep understanding. Okay, so let's save it and see how the address tag works. Look, this was the normal text, that one was normal text, but this is an address tag. So we could see the difference between that one, which is the normal text, and the other, which is the address tag. The last one, which is the bdo, which means the opposite tags. We have this paragraph, which is normal text, and we have the other one, which would be written bdo, which means the opposite direction. We will only write dir equal right to left. So we all know this attribute. This attribute means direction from right to left. Here, when we add direction right to left with bdo, it will write the text with from right to left. So let's refresh and see what we have. So here we have text. This is normal text. Here TXE means the opposite of that text. So if we have here added for the normal text, normal paragraph, we added here dir, the direction, and you see right to left. To change the direction from right to left, look, if you refresh the website, look, the normal text came here. So here we have this normal text because we have right, the direction is from right to left. But when we add bdo, it will opposite the text itself. This is enough for this lesson, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.